ओके, हाँ, गो अहेड।
तो ओपन डोर पे जो गैदरिंग है, वो गैदरिंग के बारे में मतलब मुझे पता नहीं क्यों नहीं है, या जो भी लिमिटेड है,
हाँ,
लेकिन वो गैदरिंग पर से उसका अंदाजा सचमुच नहीं लगा सकते। ये मेरा
करेक्ट।
सिंसियर बिलीफ है। और मैं मतलब कोई इमोशनल लेवल पे और किसी पे ही नहीं, मैं मतलब एक्सपीरियंस के लेवल पे बोल रहा हूँ। काफी साल से सिंसियरली सुन रहा हूँ, लोगों को समझने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, और स्पिरिचुअलिटी को फॉलो भी जितना समय मिलता है, जितना जो भी है उस हिसाब से फॉलो करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। लेकिन आप जिस ढंग से जिस बात को मतलब जो भी एक्सप्लेन करते हैं सारे प्रिंसिपल, ऐसा नहीं लगता कि नया है कुछ। लेकिन
हम्म।
जो जिस ढंग से आप बता रहे हैं और जिस ढंग से आप वो उसको जो हमारे मेडिकल टर्मिनोलॉजी में जो लेजर बीम से जो एक ट्रीटमेंट करने का तरीका है ना, वो बीम
करेक्ट।
एकदम टू दी पॉइंट जाके और बिल्कुल ऑन द डॉट जो लगता है, तो वो
राइट।
सारा आपका बात करना, आपके वर्ड्स, आपका एक्सप्लेनेशन, तो सचमुच वैसे ही लगता है। मुझे तो हमेशा लगता है कि ये लेजर बीम है, और ये
करेक्ट।
इतना कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड बीम्स है कि वो मैं एक भी वर्ड मिस नहीं करना चाहता।
करेक्ट। करेक्ट।
मतलब
या
और
दैट्स व्हाई वी कीप कमिंग बैक। या या
तो
करेक्ट।
ये तो मुझे तो हमेशा लगता है कि ये मैं जिंदगी भर सुनता हूँ।
वंडरफुल, वंडरफुल।
मैं
या
भी और ज्यादा वर्स्ट स्टूडेंट हो जाऊँ, नो प्रॉब्लम, लेकिन सुनता हूँ।
was student, yeah, right. Yeah, right. Correct, correct. Yeah, so the debate is whether we are good students of spirituality or poor students of spirituality. Good because we keep coming and coming, and poor because why we keep coming again and again. एक ही बात तो ultimately there is only one thing, but yet of course there are a million aspects. उसी
और
चीज को, हाँ,
आप बात एक ही बोल रहे हैं, काफी
राइट,
करीब करीब एक साल हो गया होगा, लेकिन
राइट,
एक ही बात उसी तरीके से आपने कभी रिपीट नहीं किया।
राइट, राइट, इट
उसी
इज
बात को
ऑलवेज,
आपने कभी कभी तो ऐसा था कि एक दो ये तो थे कि आप मैथमेटिक्स के ऐसे जो बहुत ही मतलब स्पिरिचुअल पर्सन के लिए बहुत ही बोरिंग फिगर है,
करेक्ट।
आंकड़े, मतलब फिगर बोले तो मेरा खुद का भी नहीं जमा कभी फिगर से, और स्पिरिचुअलिटी में फिगर का तो कोई रोल नहीं है ऐसा लगता। लेकिन आपने
Hmm.
उस दिन भी वो जो फिगर से थ्रू जाके जिस ढंग से वो वननेस पे लाया, वो तो
Correct,
मतलब अल्टीमेट अंडरस्टैंडिंग है। और
correct, 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 correct. Yeah, because आखिर में everything comes from the same source. Everything comes from the same source. So किसी भी बात को लेकर आप वहां पहुंच सकते हो. That is the beauty of it. It is like वो धागे का अगर गुच्छा है, तो वो कोई भी एंड कहाँ भी हाथ में आ गया, यू कीप ट्रेसिंग, कीप ट्रेसिंग, कीप ट्रेसिंग, यू विल गो बैक टू द सेम सोर्स. No matter where you start, no matter where you start, anything, literally anything,
बहुत
anything and
बार
everything.
बहुत बहुत बार बहुत अलग अलग ढंग से शुरुआत हुई है।
Correct.
शुरुआत शुरुआत मतलब ऐसे शुरू में लग रहा है कि कोई दूसरी बात चल रही है, लेकिन
Right.
अल्टीमेटली आके वो वही हो रही है, और इतने अच्छे ढंग से हो रही है, तो
Correct.
वनने से इतना अच्छा समझ में आ रहा है, और वो उतर भी रहा है, तो मुझे
Correct.
नहीं
Correct.
पता।
That is the important thing. That is the important thing कि हम इसको, are we bringing it into our lives? हम इस बात को लेकर लाइफ में इसको यूज कर रहे हैं कि नहीं, समझ रहे हैं कि नहीं. That is very very important, and that's the only important thing. Because समझना, okay, very good, but living it is most important. Living it is most important. Great, great.
दिमाग के इतने सारे कॉब्जे आपने साफ किए, मैं मेरी बात कर रहा हूँ।
Yeah.
एक
Right, right.
मतलब गुरु के बारे में या फिर स्पिरिचुअलिटी भी किस ढंग से समझा, या फिर जिस ढंग से ले रहे हैं, और वो
Yeah.
कुछ कौन सी चीजों पे फोकस करना और कौन सी चीज को अंडी इम्पोर्टेंस दे रहा है, या कहाँ डिरेल हो रहा है समझ या कंसंट्रेशन
Correct,
या सोच, वो सारा
correct,
आपने। और ऐसे करते करते बहुत सारे लोगों की बातें सुनते सुनते उन्होंने कभी गीट नहीं भरी, लेकिन सबकॉन्शियस लेवल पे उसका जो एक बीच में का मतलब जो है, वो बिटवीन द लाइन्स वाला, उसने बहुत जगह ऐसा कहीं तो भी एक फीलिंग भर दिया कि यार मुझ में कुछ कमी है, या मुझे बहुत कुछ करने की जरूरत है, तभी मैं पूर्ण होऊंगा। लेकिन आपने वो
correct,
सारी गिल्ट और सारा अंदर का जो ये है ना, वो इतने आसानी से और इतने सफाई से निकाला है कि वो कभी ऐसा लगता ही नहीं कि मैं कुछ कम हूँ या मुझे में कुछ कमी है। मैं संपूर्ण हूँ, और उसके बाद मैं ये सब कर रहा हूँ। तो ये आउट ऑफ फुलनेस या आउट ऑफ ओकेनेस
Correct.
जो सब हो
Correct.
रहा है।
Right. 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 That's beautiful. Beautiful. So,
थैंक यू
in
फॉर
your
दैट, थैंक यू।
practice, like you're a pediatrician, so in your practice, ये जो समझ है या ये जो जानकारी है, उसका on your practice, what difference have you noticed in your life?
हर जगह मतलब प्रैक्टिस में भी और लाइफ में भी हर जगह बिहेवियर चेंज हुआ। और वो किसी का मतलब जो सेंसिटिविटी रहनी चाहिए ना, किसी को दर्द होता है, किसी का दुख है, कुछ है, तो मुझे वो अपने में फील होता है।
Correct.
मैं
Correct.
काफी काफी साल से प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ और लोगों के साथ अच्छा ही रहा हूँ, लेकिन जो वो
Right.
कभी कोई गलत भी कर रहा है ना, तो वो मुझे उसमें गुस्सा आने के बजाय एक जो एम्पैथी बोली है, जो कंपैशन है, वो
Yeah.
इतना बढ़ गया है कि वो वननेस का ही है कारण। क्योंकि
Right.
वो उसमें और मुझमें मुझे ऐसा फर्क नहीं महसूस होता। ऐसा लगता है कहीं
Correct.
तो मैं जुड़ा हूँ, वो मेरा ही पार्ट है। तो उस वजह से लोगों के साथ इंटरैक्ट करना, उनके साथ बिहेवियर और उनके प्रॉब्लम के साथ जुड़ना, भले मैं सॉल्व नहीं कर सकता, लेकिन उसके प्रॉब्लम
Her
की
problem
इंटेंसिटी,
solved. Yeah.
उसकी इंटेंसिटी समझ रहा हूँ, उसका दुख समझता हूँ। जो सहानुभूति जो वर्ड है ना, वो
Right.
जीने लग गया हूँ। जो
Correct.
सहानुभूति है, उसको जो फील
Sahanubhati.
हो रहा है वो मैं फील कर रहा हूँ। तो ये सारे ओपन डोर पे आने के बाद ही बहुत सारे ओपनिंग मिले मुझे।
Correct, correct. But particularly your patients, your the children, as a pediatrician, when you interact बच्चों के साथ, then that connection, that understanding, उससे भी it, that empathy with the children, because children may not be able to say, depending on the age. If you are looking at infant, उसको हो तो बोल भी नहीं सकते कि क्या
नहीं,
क्या तकलीफ है. What age group generally you treat, or is it all ages? Get children of all ages?
0 to 18।
0 to 18. अच्छा. 0 to 18. Okay, okay. Right, right. All the way from start. Okay. So neonatal to
हाँ
18 to adult. Neonatal to adult. Okay. Great, great, great. Yeah,
और
yeah.
अभी
Wonderful.
हमारे
हाँ,
जो जितने ये हुए ना
हाँ,
पुराने भी सेशन, वो मैं
हाँ.
फिर से सुनता हूँ ना, तो मुझे लगता है कि और डीपर जा रहा हूँ और ज्यादा। मतलब जिस दिन मैंने अटेंड किया था या जिस दिन सुना था, तब लगा था कि समझ में आया सब, लेकिन उसके
Correct.
बाद फिर से सुनता हूँ, कई कुछ सेशन तो मैंने 4-4 5-5 बार भी सुने, तो हर बार
Wow.
ऐसा लगता है कि इसमें और कुछ समझने के लिए है।
Correct, correct.
तो
Wonderful, wonderful. So then award for best student goes to you. best slash best slash worst, right?
और
कि
ये
कि
मैं सच
बंदों
में
को एक बार नहीं 10 बार सुनना पड़ता है. अरे समझो ना अभी. नहीं नहीं, आई एम जस्ट जोकिंग, बट एग्जैक्टली. हाँ, व्हाट आर यू सेइंग?
एक ही मतलब एक ही सेशन यदि 5 बार भी सुना ना, तो हर
या
बार नया कुछ तो भी
नया
अंदर,
कुछ सीखने को आता.
हाँ,
वाओ.
अंदर नया कुछ तो भी समझ में आता है। और एक आधा कोई ऐसा ऐसा लगता है कि अरे ये पॉइंट तो ये मिस हुआ बोलो, या फिर देखिए हर दिन अलग 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 मेरी समझ अलग अलग है, मेरा
करेक्ट.
अंदर का माहौल
हर
अलग अलग है।
माहौल अलग है. सो
तो हर
अलग
बार
कुछ कुछ
जब
निकल
भी
आता है.
जब भी
कुछ नया
सुनता हूँ
निकल आता
तो वंडरफुल है।
है.
मैं तो मतलब बोल रहा हूँ ना
राइट,
कि किसी को भी एक्सपेरिमेंट करना है ना, तो वो भी यही बोलेगा कि जितनी बार सुन रहा हूँ उतनी बार उसमें इतनी डेप्थ है,
कुछ.
बोलने का मतलब उसका।
राइट, राइट. ग्रेट. या
और
दैट.
सब
या.
और
हाँ, गो अहेड.
सबसे बड़ी बात ये जो आ रहा है ना, जिस ढंग से आ रहा है, मतलब
हाँ.
आपके आपके एंड पे भी मैं कभी समझ में आता ना मुझे, वो इतना स्पॉन्टेनियसली और इतना ऐसा ऐसे जैसे फ्लो जैसा आ रहा है कि जैसे आप सोच नहीं रहे, आप कुछ नहीं कर रहे, और वो कहाँ से आ रहा है पता नहीं, लेकिन वो बहुत ही स्पॉन्टेनिटी है उसमें।
एग्जैक्टली, एग्जैक्टली. हम ना तो, या वी आर नॉट रिलाइंग ऑन एनी बुक्स और एनी canned anything. We are simply going by whatever comes. Right, right, right.
मुझे एसएसवाई भी इसके बाद ज्यादा समझ में आया।
Of course. हर चीज का ये बुनियाद यही है ना ये. So we are looking at that.
So
Great.
आप लोग को क्या लगता है कि संजीव जी को should write a book right now?
नहीं, मैं सचमुच बोल रहा हूँ, ये एक बहुत बड़ा ट्रेजर है। नहीं समझ में आ रहा होगा या नहीं पहुंच रहा लोगों तक, वो सब बातें नहीं पता मुझे, लेकिन ये बहुत बड़ा ट्रेजर है, बहुत बड़ा ट्रेजर है।
देखा?
मतलब ये मेडिटेशन, मतलब
Yeah,
गुरुजी ने जो किया है कि सारी स्पिरिचुअलिटी जो ढंग से चल रही थी कि यम नियम आसन प्राणायाम बाद में समाधि में पहुंच रहे हैं, तो गुरुजी ने रिवर्स इंजीनियरिंग पे हमेशा ये किया है, जोर दिया है कि योगा स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम समाधि।
right,
तो समाधि में जाने के लिए जो करना पड़ता, आपने उसमें भी रिवर्स इंजीनियरिंग कर लिया।
correct, correct,
मतलब समाधि का अल्टीमेट जो एंड है, जहाँ वहां पहुंचते हम समाधि में जाने के बाद, वो आपने वहां से शुरू कर दिया।
correct. Yeah, yeah, yeah. उसके बाद क्या? That is important.
हाँ,
या
तो वो
वहां सिर्फ पहुंच के कुछ मतलब नहीं है, उसको
नहीं,
वहां पहुंच के वहां से क्या वापस लाना है और क्या करना है, दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट।
वो समझ में आया, तो उसकी वजह से समाधि में जाना भी आसान होगा। और जैसे
करेक्ट,
समाधि में जाना आसान होगा और साइलेंस बढ़ गया, तो फिर वो उसके बाद आपने जो थर्ड स्टेप के बारे में हमेशा एक्सप्लेन किया और हमेशा जो
करेक्ट,
बताया, तो स्पिरिचुअलिटी अपने लाइफ में डे टू डे वर्क में भी सचमुच आने लग गई। मतलब
करेक्ट।
मेरा तो एक्सपीरियंस है, और मैं इतने सालों से कर रहा हूँ, जितने स्पिरिचुअल प्रैक्टिस मतलब मेरे समझने के बाद जीने में आया है, उतना इतना तो मेरे इतने सालों में नहीं आया था।
वंडरफुल, वंडरफुल। थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू, एंड थैंक्स फॉर दिस विजडम एंड दिस क्लैरिटी जो मुझे, इट्स नॉट जस्ट वन वे, इट्स नॉट जस्ट मी टू यू, आई एम ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ दैट, गेटिंग दैट क्लैरिटी ऑल्सो, as part of the speaking, as part of the thinking, the clarity also comes at that same time, साथ में आती है। ऐसा नहीं है कि पहले क्लियर हो गया और फिर मैं बता रहा हूँ, जैसे बता रहा हूँ वैसे मैं भी खुद, that clarity is also coming to us also, so it's a wonderful journey, and it हर चीज में इसको we have to see how we understand, how we use it, how we explain so many things. So one of the two or three things are on my mind अभी। एक तो है um, everyone saw that quotation that I had posted with the music and all. अच्छा लगा? Yeah, so that when insults don't have a place to land, they become powerless. And you don't provide a landing place only, then where they will go. So, but this is once you know that you are awareness. And so the follow-up question is also there: how to know that I am awareness? Once you know your awareness, insults cannot hurt you. But how to know I am awareness? Empty open space of awareness. That is one. Second question that's on my mind these days is ये जो अभी जो चल रहा है in Afghanistan, the whole situation has changed dramatically in the last 10 days. तो उसको, how do we understand that from the perspective of oneness, of non-duality, of divine play? क्या मतलब है? What is our role? What are we supposed to do? Should we do anything? And the third one that's playing on my mind is addiction. So whether it's addiction to alcohol or addiction to drugs or addiction to, a lot of people are addicted to a lot of different things. तो वो addiction में से के बारे में, what is the approach or what is the understanding that we bring to addiction? So an addiction जो है वो अलग अलग लोगों का अलग अलग होता है, किसी का ज़्यादा होता है, किसी का कम होता है। You may be addicted to simple things also, like movies. People are addicted to their work. People are addicted. There's nothing wrong with working hard, playing hard, or movies, or even alcohol, or for that matter even psychedelics in a controlled way. Nothing wrong, but when you get carried away with it and when it rules you rather than you ruling it, वहां जाके गड़बड़ शुरू हो जाती है। तो what is that understanding that we can bring to addiction? Um, so So we don't know exactly what's happening now in Afghanistan, but apparently from the past, we cannot know again whether the past is what will play out again. But वहाँ पे जो repressive regime जो बनने जा रही है वापस, which may be not very free and open to development, to progress, to growth, to learning. So not just that, but ये कैसे होता है ये? What is that about? How do people? I'm just not talking about Afghanistan, but anywhere, any war, any kind of repressive, violent behavior. What do we do with it? What what is it, and what am I as an individual, as a body mind? What is my approach to it? What can I do about it? So, and this applies, I think, जो ये एडिक्शन के बारे में बात है उसको भी लेकर यही यही आता है एक बार कि all this so-called destructive behavior, revengeful behavior has to be calmed down. Forgiveness, Sonal says, yeah. Forgiveness, okay. So, addiction is a little simpler. Maybe we'll start with that. So, what is behind addiction? कोई अगर if they are into alcohol, what's going on? लोगों को पता है, I'm talking about addiction, right? तो उस व्यक्ति को पता है कि ये हानिकारक है मेरे लिए, सेहत के लिए अच्छा नहीं है, दिमाग के लिए अच्छा नहीं है, शरीर के लिए अच्छा नहीं है, फिर भी they continue. What is it? What is the underlying motivation? Low willpower to stop, okay. Low
Escapism.
to what? Escapism to what?
The reality is very difficult to live, so they want to go into a world which is you forget everything and just be on a high.
Be on a high, okay. Escaping from the reality. They don't have the willpower to stop, okay. But they have plenty of willpower to continue to do what they are doing, right? It takes a lot of willpower to be an addict, trust me, because the resistance will be so high from your family, from your friends, from your children, from your parents. तो उसको resist करके to continue with that habit takes a lot of willpower.
So it is
I
giving
will
them
drink.
some high, na, some kick.
I understand. No, I'm responding to the willpower comment that Anamika made, that they have low willpower. So they have low willpower to stop, but they have a very high willpower to continue. Is it not? So कंटिन्यू करने के लिए विल पावर बहुत है. So loneliness, feeling separation, lack of love, okay, yeah. What else? So what is alcohol addiction? What is at the root of it? What is behind it? What is the root cause? Harm, immerse in unknown. Pandeyji says, yeah, you're getting very close. Makes you happy. Now you hit the nail on the head. It makes you happy. Tension वगैरह छोड़ो, tension नहीं. Tension is the other side. What is the person who is drinking alcohol looking for? What are they looking for? They're looking for happiness. What is spirituality? Spirituality is seeking happiness. Freedom from suffering is looking for happiness. So what are they looking for? They're looking for that peace and calm which happens when the brain is sort of put aside and you are directly experiencing that source of peace and calm which is the real you. So so agar uh, it brings you happiness, and spirituality also quest is bringing happiness. So whether you pursue spirituality or you pursue drugs or alcohol, what's the problem? What's the difference? हाँ म्यूट पे है शायद.
लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कई बार वन फील्स कि उसमें अगर जो मैंने कहा ना वो इमर्स करना खुद को,
हाँ.
तो जो एक्सटैटिक एक्सटेसी जो अगर अंग्रेजी का वर्ड है वो
हाँ.
उस तरह का अनुभव होता है, लेकिन जो आपने कहा ध्यान मेडिटेशन व्यक्ति को उसमें जाने में ऐसा लग रहा है कि बड़ा कठिन है, जबकि वो बड़ा बहुत सहज है। तो वो सहजता लोगों को मालूम नहीं होती है, इसलिए वो उसके द्वारा जाना चाहता है।
राइट राइट. सो
दोनों में फर्क,
हाँ
दोनों में फर्क ये है कि एक तो बाहर से मतलब डिपेंडेंसी वाला है,
हाँ.
और एक जो अपने अंदर ही है। एक बाहर से आ रहा है, एक अपने अंदर ही है। और तीसरा के जो हम बाहर से ले रहे हैं उसके साइड इफेक्ट भी है। उसके बाद वो प्लेजर के बाद पेन भी है, लेकिन ये प्लेजर के बाद कोई पेन नहीं है, और ये हमेशा अवेलेबल है। वो हमको हमेशा ही अवेलेबल रहना जरूरी नहीं है।
राइट राइट. कभी दुकान बंद है, कभी ड्राई डे है. बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है.
संजीव जी,
हाँ.
आई थिंक कि जो स्पिरिचुअलिटी है दैट इज गॉड्स ग्रेस, पीपल चांस अपॉन इट, एंड सिमिलरली इट इज व्हाट फाइंड्स यू अट्रैक्टिव। दोनों में मजे हैं. Even drinking is also very very nice, and spirituality is also nice, but it is all God's grace which chooses you. That's what I believe. कि जिसको, like if I talk about in drinking session about spirituality, people will think I'm stupid, and if I talk about drinking about spirituality, those people will think I'm stupid. It's all what attracts you.
But are they the same? What is the difference? What is the difference? What is the problem with just using psychedelics or
spirituality makes you high. That is, but once the जो drinking है उसका नशा खत्म होता है, it pulls you down.
So
right. So the side effects, yeah.
So in spirituality you are in full awareness, and over here there is no awareness.
Ultimately though, that what you are calling no awareness is a touching of the peace, that inner calm, that source through that non-aware state also. Just like deep sleep also, you're not aware in the sense of your what they call meta consciousness, which is your attention and all that is not there, but your consciousness, which is the deepest phenomenal consciousness. You are still conscious, but you are not aware in sleep also, and you are touching that same place in that deep sleep. Same thing with let's say drinking, or in a totally inebriated state. आप उसी जगह को छूते हो जो आपका इनर कोर है.
ड्रिंक करके देखना पड़ेगा. कभी नहीं पिया, नहीं तो समझता नहीं.
कभी नहीं पिया. ओके. या आई आल्सो
लगती है संजीव जी, मुझे एक बात और लगता है कि हम मेडिटेशन के द्वारा हम पहले मन को शांत करके फिर बॉडी हमारी शांत हो जाती है, और उसमें जो है पहले फिजिकली आपने वो लिया सेल ब्रेन सेल्स वगैरह काम डाउन हुए, फिर माइंड का कामनेस आता है. तो द
हाँ.
प्रोसेस इज रिवर्स,
Reverse.
बॉडी
Very
टू
good.
माइंड एंड माइंड टू बॉडी.
हाँ, good point. Good point. Right. Right. So yeah, but the issues with drinking, of course, availability, not always available, issues, and then the side effects, the after effects and the side effects. उसका भारी वो जो कीमत उसकी भारी देनी पड़ती है, because the body gets short term also you may have a hangover, and then long term your liver is damaged and destroyed, and with drugs you may brain cells themselves get damaged and destroyed, memory loss, vagera vagera, long term and short term side effects of that. So but it is a spiritual quest. I would say that the people who are going after something like this are at least in some ways ahead of the people who are completely not doing anything. Neither they are pursuing education or learning or reading, nor are they going out and searching, okay, where do I find this happiness? As they are just going through life, through the motions of life, neither drinking of alcohol nor drinking of love or divine. Neither one लेके जो ऐसे ही बैठे हैं, just passing the time away, they are much worse off. At least these guys are on a path. मुझे चाहिए मैं खाने में ढूंढूं या मस्जिद में, मैं ढूंढ तो रहा हूं कम से कम. तो ये they are seekers. They are already seekers. So now the only, if you're not a seeker, then you are gone. मतलब आपको रुचि नहीं है, कुछ पता ही नहीं है, ऐसे ही through a blind or a semi comatose state you are going through life. It's a complete loss. But at least you are a seeker. If you are into this, into whatever it is, anything, you are a seeker. Now only thing is to point you in the direction where you will truly find something permanent, something lasting, something deep, something satisfying. और ऐसी चीज जिसको लेकर आप जब बाहर आते हो तो वही आनंद, वही जो आपको अनुभव हुआ, उसको बाहर आकर you are able in a position to share it, to care for other people, to do something wonderful with it. Whereas ये जो नशे वाली बात है, you are completely lost. So so just like so but what do we do about somebody who is, let's say, addicted to alcohol or drugs? What do we tell them? क्या कहें उनको? Do you think telling them कि okay, you stop drinking and meditate, will they listen to us or what?
Not at all.
Not at all. ये पीना वीना छोड़ दो, शराब, आप हमारे साथ बैठ के ध्यान में बैठ जाओ. May not work. So what is the way out of that one?
Maybe if they find their soul potential to serve us, they find something bigger in life, something bigger to do, which gives them a bigger kick or a bigger thing to live for, purpose,
A bigger high.
a bigger
A bigger
purpose,
high.
yeah. Then that little one goes away.
Wonderful. What else? What else? How do we steer? How do we change the direction of their search? Because
Can I
just like
share?
any spiritual seeker, they are seeking something.
Kusum
How do-
wants to share.
Yes, Kusum. Hello. How are you?
Hi, Jagadev. Actually, I've just entered, so I am really not knowing the whole this. But as I just got a little pointer of what you mentioned, ki, it is only you need to change your perspective of seeing the person, and accept him, because if you want to क्या बोलते कि when you go on wanting to change people, you are in pressure and you are stressed out, and you become powerless doing all those, changing outside. So you just be at ease and change your perspective and just accept, because I'm just observing. I've been observing myself. The moment I resist things in my life, or I want to change people to be in certain way I think is right, then the whole headache starts with me.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't know. I'm just
No, no,
entered, so Sanjeev, I don't know. अभी
no,
just
I
मैं entry
agree.
मारी.
No. What you're saying is true. Ultimately, acceptance is the first step, though. See, if you don't accept them and you are judgmental about them, oh, such a stupid person, so wrong, so bad, so silly. How can they do this? When from that you cannot get anything out of that position. You are completely lost. So certainly the first step to take is that you accept them the way they are, love them the way they are, respect them the way they are. Very, very important.
Also,
Without that,
yeah,
uske
sorry.
bina, but the point is that is only the first step. It doesn't stop there, because
Hmm.
if you desire to create something wonderful, acceptance will get you to okayness.
Hmm.
Creation is the next step. Acceptance is not sufficient to go to the next stage, which is creating something. I accept you the way you are, and now I'm okay, you are okay, and everything is okay. Wonderful. But now I want to go to the next step. I would like to see your life being of joyfulness, of sharing, of caring, of love, of enthusiasm. I would like to see your body being healthy. I would like to see your liver not getting destroyed. I would love to see your brain cells being functioning at full capacity. For that, acceptance doesn't cut it. It's not enough. So it's a first step, very important step. If you have not accepted them and you don't respect them and love them, you cannot get anywhere.
Yeah. So,
Only that. So where is the first step? So what is the next step?
Being an
Where?
example, being an
Yeah.
example of positivity and happiness. They see you that ये इतनी खुश क्यों रहती है हर वक्त,
Hmm.
right? So they want to know what is the reason that she is able to be so happy, so productive. It's so that's what I have seen in amongst my friends group, that
Yeah.
then they start seeing and they फिर सोचते हैं चलो try कर लेते हैं.
Right. Correct. So yeah, what is behind this? You being an example of joyousness. But when we talk about extreme behavior, addiction, sometimes people are not even in a position to really see that. They don't care. मैं मेरे में मस्त हूँ, तुम तुम्हारा जियो, मैं मेरा पीता हूँ. मैं पीने में मस्त हूँ, and or drugs or whatever it is, and you do it your way, I want to do it my way. So where do we go with that? Somebody said counseling. I think Sonal said counseling. Yeah, counseling. Okay, but
if we can, yeah, Sanjeev, I'll share.
yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, at least what is coming up right now, frankly speaking, two things. First of all, I don't know the answer. The second part, what popped out
Yeah,
is if we can make him see how he can live a life, empowering him to see life differently, or how he can be if he is the other way, not having all those, addiction and all.
yeah, yeah,
Empowering, he has to be empowered, because the soul requires tremendous love and care, and how you relate and validate, and
yeah. Empowering them. Yeah, no doubt. Okay.
I don't know,
Yeah.
I'm just thinking loud, huh?
No,
So,
that's fine. That's fine.
I
So
want to share something, Sanjay ji.
yes. हाँ
So,
बोलो.
so I have students.
Please use neutral pronouns. It need not be a he. It could be a she also.
Yeah, yeah.
Because we are very careful. We are because we are all very sensitized to this issue when it comes to good things. why you are saying only God is only a he. It could be a she, and somebody said God is a black woman, but uh, so we have to be careful and be neutral and fair and use it in both cases. So why the alcoholic can be a she? Go ahead.
Sure. So I have a student who shared with me just 2 weeks back. She said, "पहले मेरा husband बहुत पीता था, and I used to get very upset because she is very much into meditation and all that. फिर मैंने सोचा चलो मैं भी उनको थोड़ा कंपनी दे देती हूँ."
Okay.
And
Good.
so
sahi,
she
sahi.
started. So when they started drinking together, but she started very little drinking, but together with him
Right.
and giving him that company and that listening and that tipsiness, and whatever they're sharing the day and all that.
Right.
So
Right.
that keeps him very much in a limited way of drinking. That's what
Correct.
she
Correct.
said.
Yeah. Yeah. I think that's an active acceptance. I mean,
Yeah.
not only
So
I
she said,
accept.
मैं पीती हूँ because I told her आप क्रिया करोगी कहता नहीं मैं तो पीती हूँ.
Right.
That's
No,
how
it
she
is
shared with me.
very, very important,
Yeah,
because I accept. ऐसे ही बोल देना is not enough.
yeah.
I accept to the point where I'm myself okay with it, that I can also sit
या
down
तो
with you and have a
थोड़ा
drink.
अपना एक ग्लास बना लेती है और उनके साथ
Right.
पीती है और पूरा
Correct.
दिन कैसे गुजरा वो बातचीत करते हैं बच्चों की बात कर तो this person doesn't have to feel rejected and all. He is very much in control, very much accepted and loved, so it
Right.
doesn't go beyond a limit. So this could be one.
Right.
I'm just saying.
Right. Very nice. Very good. Good
Out of
insight.
the box thinking.
Yes. Yes. Out of the box thinking. Absolutely. And नहीं, लेकिन अगर meditation और see, ultimately जो भी हम चाहते हैं, आनंद, खुशी का अनुभव, ultimately the source is
Yes.
only I. Yeah, ultimately the source is only I. मैं चाहे मैं उस जगह को टेम्पररीली छू के आता हूँ थ्रू ड्रग्स और थ्रू सेवा और थ्रू भजन और थ्रू मेडिटेशन और वॉट एवर वे, ultimately that is what I am touching. So, and clearly through self discovery, whether you call it meditation, करो सेवा या भक्ति या ज्ञान या जो भी तरीके से आप सेल्फ डिस्कवरी की तरफ जाते हो, then you touch that same place in a much more long lasting, deeper, healthier way than you do with the drugs and psychedelics. So you want to turn them towards that. So how do we turn them towards that is the question. What would work? So what you shared is, Jennifer ji, is actually sort of in the direction what I was thinking, but I was reminded of this story. I think I read it in one of the Osho books about this thief who goes, who he's been a thief all his life, and that's all he knows how to do, and he finds that he's unable to shake that, and he says, I'm tired of running and I'm tired of this always hiding. I want to just live freely and open and okay, but I'm just not able to give it up, this habit of stealing. And somebody says, you go meet this master who lives on this top of a, I don't know why masters all live on top of hills, but okay, maybe they like hill stations. So that goes on the top of the mountain. But by the way, there's this book called The Holy Man. If any of you get a chance to read it, and maybe Sonal can find it for everyone.
Yes, I've read it. You recommended it before also.
Yes, a while back. Yeah. Wonderful book, isn't it?
Yeah, it's amazing.
Amazing book, The Holy Man. Please read it, everyone. So he goes to this guru and says कि मुझे ये चोरी छोड़नी है लेकिन नहीं छूटती मेरे से, क्या करूं मैं कैसे बंद करूं? So the words of the guru is simply, I cannot stop. So he said, don't stop stealing, steal, keep on stealing, be a thief. But while you are stealing, just know that you are stealing. As you are stealing, while you are stealing, Just keep on watching yourself stealing. That's all. Don't stop. And of course, sometime later he comes and says, I don't know how, now I cannot steal anymore. I cannot steal even if I want to, because I saw it and I saw it and I saw it and I saw it, and now it is nothing. So it is the same thing. So for people with that substance dependence, it could be that can be a meditation in itself. Rather than trying to say you stop drinking and you start meditating, use whatever that is, because on the other side of everything is only peace. On the other side of everything is only love. On the other side of everything, on the front, back, left, right, of everything, the container. Anytime you go into something or away from something, you will encounter peace. So you can go in either direction. So for certain things, you can look the other way, go the other way and find yourself. But some things which have got you, जिसने जकड़ के रखा है आपको, उससे छूटना और दूसरी तरफ मुड़ना मुश्किल होता है. So the way is to go through it. Go through it, and if you go through it fully, on the other side you will find the same thing, which is peace, love, joy, happiness. Just like anger, right? If you're angry, if anger is your issue and you're maybe addicted to anger, then one way is to see that anger kya hai? It's transient, comes and goes. It comes and goes. It's not me. And you keep dropping everything that is transient, and you encounter yourself, and you live there, and you love there, and you be there, and the anger no longer has any hold on you. Or the other way is you go through the anger. Ye anger hai kya? What is it? It's a collection of thoughts and feelings and sensations and perceptions, and that's all it is. And you go in it, be in it, whether it is sadness, grief, anger, desperation, or anything that you wish to be free from. Go into it. If you go into it, there is nothing else. You will find that ये भी ठीक है, कुछ ऐसी कोई खास बात नहीं है इसमें, that I cannot be in it. And once you are in it and you are okay with it, you can come out on the other side of it. And when you come out on the other side of it, again you encounter love, peace, joy. So maybe there is something new that can come up, which meditation that we can teach in the bars of the world, in the clubs. Just getting into it, making it into a ritual, like what we were talking about earlier, and making it consciously. Drinking in awareness. Drinking in awareness is the way to only reach awareness. So rather than trying to turn them away from the drink, going the other way. So possibly that is one. But this is applicable, we may not be into any alcohol or substance abuse, but any kind of behavior. These are the two ways available. Simply go through it, and you will find that on the other side it is nothing. When you ask yourself the question, is it okay with me that I feel this way? Is it okay? Would I be okay अगर ये जो अनुभव मुझे हो रहा है वो परमानेंट होता? Then would I still be okay? And you will find that the answer is, eventually you will find, yes, it's okay. When you reach that state, then you will come out on the other side. So someone was asking me about, insults, and I get insulted, and no matter how much hard I try, I get insulted. And when I get insulted, I get upset and angry, and then I lose my temper, so that is what prompted me to say, when you know your awareness, your peace, your calm, your empty, open space, not this body, not this mind, then the insult doesn't have a place. But if you can't do it that way, then go the other way. Insult, okay, whatever the sensation, जब insult आता है तो शरीर में क्या विचार आते हैं, क्या अनुभव होता है, क्या अनुभूतियां होती है, उसको देखो और उसके अंदर पूरे पूरे डूब जाओ. इमर्स योरसेल्फ इनटू दैट फीलिंग, really immerse, rather than fighting, oh, why is this person insulting me, why are these words are so mean and this and that. Instead of resisting it, you simply dive into that insult, feel whatever that insult makes you feel, और अपने आप को पूछेंगे कि अगर ये जो भी मैं फील कर रहा हूं वो ठीक है क्या, इज इट ओके विथ मी. यू विल फाइंड दैट इट इज. आप मर तो नहीं रहे हो किसी इंसल्ट से. You will find that it is okay. And when you find that it is okay is when the grip and the power of that feeling is loosened and you find freedom on the other side. So these violent behaviors also, right, with Afghanistan or wherever the wars are, again, this is nothing but a search for happiness. It is a misguided search for happiness. There's nothing, see, we hold these things as evil or bad or wrong or something like that. But it is just a desperate search. It is a desperate search for quenching the thirst of separation from divine, of separation from oneness, of separation from love. And that, वो जो desperation है, वो जो तड़प है, वो जो प्यास है, वो इंसान को कुछ भी करने पे मजबूर कर देती है आखिर में. चाहे वो क्राइम हो या वायलेंट बिहेवियर हो या एडिक्शन हो, दीज आर ऑल जस्ट मैनिफेस्टेशंस ऑफ दैट ग्रेट थर्स्ट, द ग्रेट थर्स्ट फॉर डिवाइन, द ग्रेट थर्स्ट फॉर वननेस. So this is the highest gift that we can bring to the world, this understanding. Whether it's to addicts or to criminals or to terrorists or whatever the things are that we see out there in the world, कि हाय यार ये इतने लोग को इतना suffering हो रहा है, what am I supposed to do, what can I do? The highest service, the highest gift that you can offer to the whole world is the gift of this understanding of who I am, what I am, what you are, what everything is, what is the source of everything, and that what you are looking for is so readily available within you 24/7. तो ये ज्ञान जो है, ये what we are bringing here in this open door and wherever, this is the best seva. If you are feeling something, you know, like Anamika was asking, you know, all these terrible things that are going on and are potentially going to happen in Afghanistan, especially with the condition of women and women's rights and education and all that. What are we supposed to do? What can I do? What should I do? I would say to you, the best thing you can do is to bring this understanding of oneness deeper and deeper yourself and to more and more people. It's simply turning the direction of this mind towards truth, towards knowledge. That's the highest and the best form of seva that we can offer to the world. Great. So any questions or thoughts, Anamika, on this?
Yes,
What was
yes, I have a question, a quick question. Sanjeev ji, all these people like in Afghanistan also, they believe that what they are doing is in terms of religion. It will make them, it will give them all this happiness, because everybody is in this notion that whatever path they are following is the best path, is the path to whatever, right? They think so. Like if I've so how do you think even I don't know whether I am following the right path. How, you know,
No, so there's only one. अगर हमें जानना है कि सच क्या है, सत्य क्या है, तो उसके लिए सिर्फ एक तराजू है, एक ही तराजू है जिस पर हम आधार रख सकते हैं, और वो तराजू है अनुभव. Experience is the only yardstick of truth. There is no other yardstick. Consensus is not a yardstick. यानी just because majority ये कहती है, that does not make it the truth. For example, at one point in the history of the world, majority of the people were convinced that the earth is flat. Did it make it the truth? No. So majority opinion is not the truth. What you believe also is not for sure it is the truth. I mean, somebody may believe that if I do this, I will go to heaven and, I will get whatever. But that's a belief. It is not an experience. So the only way to know whether something is true or not is by experience. And the only way you can know what is truth is by your experience. And by experience, I'm not talking about some very high flown कोई चमत्कारिक अनुभव या कोई घंटियां बज जाती है और फटाके फूटते हैं, वैसे वाला अनुभव की बात नहीं कर रहा हूं मैं. Simple experience when you ask the question, am I here? Am I there? मैं हूं, आप है. और वो साधारण प्रश्न का बहुत ही साधारण जो जवाब आपके अनुभव से बाहर आता है कि yes, I am there. And that I am there is not dependent on my body or my thoughts or my feelings. It is simply the same I am here which was there when I was 3 years old, 5 years old, 20 years old. That same here that was here is still here. And that is your experience. And then what are the qualities of that which is here? The quality of that which is here is love, is peace, is calmness, is joy, is freedom. It is not control. It is not some modified behavior. It is not some kind of a set of rules. It is simply open, free, and loving and accepting. And that is your experience. And the more and more and more often you experience that truth of that becomes more and more and more established in you. And as you become more and more established in that, then that becomes your living truth. You become that. और उसके जो गुण है, जो आप है, वो आपके में बाहर आ रहे हैं. So they may think that is the truth, but even if you ask them who are saying, have these whatever violent or some other destructive ways of being in the world, unloving ways, forget about destructive, उनको भी पूछेंगे कि आप हो, then they will say yes. So one is you yourself knowing what is the truth. How to know the truth? This is how you know the truth. By experience. By this school called life. By this textbook called body and mind. Learning this textbook of the body and mind in the school of life is your only teacher. And the only lesson you need to learn. So वो उसके आधार पे give yourself that permission that to know and claim and speak the truth and be the truth. Because this is undeniable, मतलब जो अनुभव से है. So that is all it is. It's a matter of taking this. So, taking this, whether it comes through Open Door or, whatever source it comes from, this is the understanding that needs to go to the world. And whatever you are doing and can do is what is required. Like you're helping with the editing of the videos or whatever, or promoting this idea to other people. Now you have invited your friends and your people, your group to this gathering today. This is exactly what is needed. All of us doing that. And we are only 9, 10, maybe 15 people. But, do you know that the Bolshevik Revolution of Russia was started by 6 people? 6 people got together and started the Russian Revolution. That's all it took, because that's what it takes. It's people who are who understand what is needed and go with it. So my invitation to all of you is that all these questions that are troubling not just you as a person, but humanity, whether it's crime or pollution or war and domination of people and subjugation and terrorism and all of this, if these are things that trouble you enough to do something about it, then what needs to happen is this knowledge, this understanding, and bringing it to more and more people. So please continue to share to your friends and family, to come to these platforms and deepen your knowledge, deepen your understanding, deepen your experience. And Kusum, you wanted to say something earlier?
I forgot also.
No problem.
I was
No problem.
so much
No.
engrossed with listening to and
Yeah.
wanting to,
Yeah. So
take
great.
it side
So
as
please come. So yeah, at 9:30 there is a group of Anamika is a beauty consultant, and she has a huge following of people. I mean, she has like thousands of followers on YouTube and Instagram and whatever, literally 70, 80,000 people. And she conducts classes for these women on beauty. But today she has invited me to speak to them and bring this understanding. So looking at outer beauty from the inner beauty point of view. So that's an event at 9:30. So we'll be recording it and we'll post the recording also on Open Door. Great. Thank you. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Jai Gurudev. Thank you.
Hello, bye and namaste to everyone.
Bye and
Thank
namaste.
you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Bye and namaste to
Coming.
everyone.
Enjoyed myself.
Thank you. Bring
Something out of the box.
Of course, bring the parents group also here.
Yeah.
Whenever you are having a ISP class or something,
Yeah.
one of the sessions you can just say, come to Open Door. And if you let me know in advance, then we can make parenting as the subject.
Okay, fine. Sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
Because this is
Definitely.
something that is very important. The
Yes.
parent. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.